Hello, how are you all? So in this video we're gonna prepare a scribe for the manuscripts written in the ancient period. In the ancient period they don't have a paper like us. Similarly, they used to write and inscribe their writings, manuscripts, autobiographies of kings, rulers and their work at a scribes. Scribes are basically a piece of paper made from wood carvings like a bark of a tree like this on. Okay, so here we are, and today in this video the topic, as you read the thumbnail and you have might seen my channel description and title. In this video we are going to prepare some scribes, okay, manuscripts. So for that you're going to need as you can see, I have taken a bowl and I have added glue and phenolphthalein, and let us mix it. And then in a separate bowl you're gonna add some water to the mixture. It will not look brown as mine look brown because my paintbrush was brown, right? Okay. Take a newspaper, take a tissue and apply it, okay? And then by the glue and the water mixture we have to stick it. Add more. More water. Then apply. FAQ is the worst bad show. If Pratik Shetty is watching this video. Then add warm water and solution and do more. Remember, you do it on a paper or let it dry for some time, okay?